Welcome to our guide on YouTube Partner Program eligibility. In this video, we'll explain the requirements you need to meet and how to apply. The YouTube Partner Program, YPP, allows creators to monetize their channels and access exclusive features. To be eligible, you need to meet certain requirements. What is YPP? It's a program that enables creators to earn money from their videos through ads, channel memberships, and super chats. Why should you join YPP? It's a great way to generate revenue from your content and support your channel's growth. There are two main eligibility requirements for YPP. Option 1. Reach 1,000 subscribers and have 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. Option 2. Get 1,000 subscribers and 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. If you meet either of these requirements, you can apply for YPP. Click Notify Me when I'm eligible in the Earn area of YouTube Studio. Wait for an email notification from YouTube once you've met the requirements. Here are some tips for increasing your chances of success. Create high-quality content that your audience will enjoy. Promote your channel on social media and other platforms. Build a community around your channel by engaging with your viewers. Joining YPP can help you grow your channel and earn money from your content. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, apply for YPP and take your channel to the next level. Apply for YPP today and start earning from your passion.